Okay, guys, hello again. So let's have your uh, miscellaneous gram-negative bacilli, no? Continuation lang ni siya sa atong miscellaneous kanina. So we have your Legionella, Bartonella, Gardnerella, and Streptobacillus. Yan. So Legionella pneumophila is major causes major disease, no, in human. And widely publicized outbreak of pneumonia was documented in Philadelphia during the American Legion Convention delegates. So, unsa day nahitabo didto? Tingala sila after sa ilahang convention didto, gipang pneumonia sila tanan. Okay. So, na-found out nila that um, it was caused by a bacteria, no, called Legionella pneumophila. It causes Legionnaires disease, no, from aerosols. It is spread through aerosols from contaminated cooling towers or pangnatog aircon. Okay, so yeah. So it causes also Pontiac fever. It causes flu-like illness, no. Especially your serogroups 1 to 6 or the Legionella pneumophila serogroups 1 to 6. So the virulence factor again is it inhibits the phagosome lysosome fusion, which enables the bacteria to survive inside the cell. Ayan. So natural habitats of this organism is bodies of water and soil. So anything na may water, nambugnaw, ayan. So that's where they thrive. Ayan. So, Legionella no also requires cysteine for growth. Okay? So, it requires cysteine for growth. So, pwede po tato sila i-isolate sa buffer charcoal yeast extract with alpha ketoglutarate. So, in your buffer charcoal yeast extract no agar, it produces pinpoint ground glass appearance, round or flat, colorless or varying color, translucent or speckled. So, pleomorphic, lahi-lahi ang iyahang growth. So, again, small gram-negative rats that stain poorly by gram stain. So, Legionella is actually motile and catalase positive. And how do we diagnose that one? We can do that direct fluorescent antibody testing. So, next is we have your Bartonella bacilliformis. It causes Oroya fever. Okay. Oroya fever is the initial stage of the disease, no? Eventually it will lead to infectious anemia. Okay. Next is it also causes verruga peruana, the eruptive stage. It causes skin lesions or vascular skin lesions. Ayan. So it is transmitted by sandflies or under your genus Lutzomia. Okay, limited lang siya to the South American countries, no? We have Peru, Colombia, and Ecuador. And si Bartonella henselae and Bartonella quintana naman, this is the known cause of cat scratch disease, characterized by fever and lymphadenopathy. So ganina, di ba si Pastorella po pwede. Okay? By contact with a cat scratch, lick bite, or flea bite. Pero kanina, si Pastorella, pwede magot siya sa dog bite. Ayan, so gram-negative rats, pleomorphic, slow-growing, and seen in infected tissues with Warthin starry silver impregnation stain or the Warthin starry silver impregnation stain. Next is your Gardnerella vaginalis, no? So, common na. Doon na ninyo sa UBF, di ba? It causes bacterial vaginosis. So, your vaginal discharge usually has a fishy amine odor. So, wala kay inflammatory cells na makita, no? However, ang makita nimo diri is the characteristic clue cells. Unsa man ang clue cells? Your squamous epithelial cells that has a lot of bacteria or attached bacteria. So, nasa sulod or even outside of the cell, no? Nakadikit yung Gardnerella vaginalis. So, this is the clue cells. Ayan. So, the pH of the urine, no, or the vaginal discharge of patients with bacterial vaginosis is over 4.5. So that is alkaline. Bakit alkaline? Again, because of the fishy amine, the conversion of your ammonia, urea to ammonia by the bacteria. Okay, next is your Septobacillus moniliformis. It causes rat bite fever. Okay, septic fever, blotchy, and petechial rashes, and painful polyarthritis. So, what is the fever caused now by your Streptobacillus moniliformis is your Haverhill fever. acquired through ingestion of contaminated milk. Ayan, so pleomorphic gram-negative rods, usually irregular chains, culture L forms. Okay, they grow best at 37, but they cease to grow at room temperature or 22 degrees Celsius. The culture media used for your Streptobacillus moniliformis has serum protein, egg yolk, and starch. Usually detected using glutination testing. Okay, and Spirillum minor, gani causes also rat bite fever but different at clinical appearance. Sige lang, ma-discuss na siya sa next na video, no? Sudoku fever. So, Haverhill, again, your Streptobacillus moniliformis, your Sudoku fever is caused by your Spirillum minor. Under na siya sa treponema. Okay? Si Streptobacillus naman, or the gram-negative bacilli that causes a Haverhill fever, ayan. So, yan siya ang causative agent. Rat bite fever pa rin siya. Okay, so you have an assignment. Yan, guys. Deadline will be on Friday. Please submit mo ani on Friday. Pag wala'y submission na, wala, zero na. Okay, so yan. Okay, screenshot na ni. Okay, done na screenshot. Okay, so that's it for our discussion of your continuation of the miscellaneous gram-negative bacteria, no? So please study your lesson. So next na po the topic will be the last topic which is your Treponema species. Okay, goodbye.